Hello guys, welcome. This section we're going to talk about how to perform debugging in Playwright. It's very simple. For taking the demonstration, I take this first test and that I'm taking the example here. We already covered in last sections, that is log into the application and verify the login is successful by asserting the label, then logout click, then after logout the username and password is empty. That assertion we have performed. So let me run this test in debug mode. For that, go to terminal and run the test. This is the command, right? npx playwright test, the test spec file, and I have flagged it as Chrome only and headed mode. And one more flag need to add is this to run in debug mode, that is / debug. Okay, / debug flag need to add and click enter. Then it will run in debug mode. So let me wait for to load the browser with the inspector window. Yes, it is loaded. You can see it is loaded the Chrome, and you can see the inspector window on right side, Playwright inspector, and you can see now it's the controller is comes under 23rd line. That is the first test case, first line of loading the URL, right? So it is stop there. If you want to execute this, you can see here on menu step over, click on that, then it will execute the corresponding step of go to URL. You can see the next step is highlighted, that is the username, and you can also see in application it is highlighted username. Okay, so you can step by step you can execute each step of your test. Now you can see the password, and password text box is highlighted in blue color on left side. You can see the locator's name as well on top of that text box. So you can step over. Next, the button submit button is highlighted in red color, so you can understand which step is going to execute now on debug mode. And on next step, after clicking on step over, that submit button will click, and you can see logged in successfully flag. That text is highlighted, that is we have asserting that label, so that highlighted in blue color, and step by step you can execute. So you can see each step it is highlighted, the buttons will be highlighted in red color. Okay, so you can verify each. If you, it is useful when any issues in error occurred in your test script, so you need to debug, right? So you can step by step you can check any sync issue or loading issues is there, so you can check by this debugging mode. Okay, if you run or resume this process to the end, then you can go to click on resume, then it will execute the rest of the test and show the result. Yes, it is passed. Here no issues in the test script. And one more thing I want to show right now, one more time I taking this in debug mode. Okay, and suppose for example you can see the username, password entered, and submit button. You can see here we using locator and CSS selector for locating the submit button. Suppose it is not working, so you can see on top level there is a pick locator. You can see, click on that, and you can click on where want to what element is there. To the playwright will suggest the locator value, so click on that. So you can see the playwright suggested get by role button name submit. Likely you can find any locators value you have any issues, then you can just click on pick locator and just click on the value, then the Playwright on downside, you can get the corresponding locator value suggested by the Playwright. Okay, this way you can find. Okay, then one more thing, if you know the locator value, then you can check here by entering the locator value. That means if I am checking the button, you can inspect here, manually inspect. You know the button value. For example, inspect this. Okay, this one. So I using the CSS selector. That means the tag and attribute value. Button is the tag name, button, and you can see ID is there. So ID equal to submit. Okay. So you can see it is highlighted. So this is the CSS selector, right? So if you find this and you want to check whether it is correct, you can paste here. So you can once paste here, you can see on left side the values. You can see only one value is there, multiple values there. It will shows 1, 2. So 2 locators are there. So you can identify whether your CSS locator is correct or not. Suppose you have returned the locator's value like this, then if you get by role button name submit and you write and click on enter, then it will, or you can see on left side it is highlighted, and you can verify that your locator finding is correct. So in different way you can use this debugger to verify whether your inspector, the manually return locators is correct, or you can use the inspector window to find out any locators value. So the debugger, that means the Playwright inspector, you can use in different way. Okay, so hope you understand this section. Thank you for watching and bye.